young people. Wanted to cover the scars, wanted to hide all the shame, wanted the love in their hearts, wanted the worship of fame, wanted to write over loneliness. I was just hoping that all of the liquor and women could maybe just erase the pain. Till I met you, loosen my grip on what I was hung up on. You took